this is Dr. Rose from Natural Transplants, and we're following up with Robert. Aloha, you're in Hawaii.
Aloha.
I'm a little jealous. How's your hair going? This is 9 months, right?
Yeah, this is 9 months and it looks fabulous. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything better. Used all from what I started at back in, last year when we did the surgery. It's come in, it looks really thick. I get comments all the time. Have you lost weight? Or done something different? No one, and I always say, no, I'm the same old me, but you can tell I'm not. I look much better with hair for sure.
I'll second that. You had a good start, but it definitely looks really natural, and that's amazing that people are commenting, but they don't know that it's the hair transplant, which really speaks to the fact that it is a natural, it fits your face really well. And let me just reiterate, this is not the final result for you. We still have 3 more months where those baby hairs are actually going to become even more robust. So, but it looks amazing. I'm super happy for you too.
Yeah, and what I don't know if I can show you the back of it, but you can.
Yeah, will you look down for us? Let me see. Well, pull back a little bit. Yeah, pull back a little bit with the camera. Yeah, wow, look at that. Okay, awesome, perfect.
I don't know if you can see here, but there's no scars that you really see.
That's amazing. Yeah, you're a little close too. I don't know if you could move your chair forward. Oh, good. There we go. A little bit further forward, actually, even. Yeah, but you can't see the scar at all. That's incredible.
Yeah, and my fiance has looked for it and tried to find it. It's really hard to see. It was a great process. It was basically easy to get in, get it done, and then within 4 or 5 months, you started to see the growth, and then now, I mean, I couldn't be happier.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm so happy, and you were such a pleasure to have here with us. And enjoy your hair. We're going to follow up again probably in 3 months or so.
Okay.
But, you know, you came all the way from Hawaii, and I'm super thrilled that you got the result that you wanted.
Yeah, and for folks thinking about doing it, I did a lot of research on the West Coast, the East Coast, and even in Hawaii for the cost and for the expertise that the Dr. Rose gave for the operation. It was well worth it, and it was the most affordable and best job that could be done. I'm very, very happy.
Oh, I'm thrilled for you. Thanks so much, Robert, and we'll be in touch, all right?
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.